to Cellular Networks Performance Workshop training video, powered by Tonex.com. This course gives a total review of the cores and performance on the whole GSM during CDMA, UMTS, LTE, and 802.11 frameworks. It provides a prologue to the performance and cores complete development of GSM towards a radio access center IP networks that proficiently underpins UMTS, LTE and 802.11 administrations. Who should attend? This course designed for engineering professionals, research and development engineers, business development managers, technical managers, technical specialists working for cellular operators. Course objectives: depict the essential GSM, GPRS, Edge, CDMA and WCDMA UMTS design, outline of tasks and the configurable goals, performance parameters, outline of the real performance improving highlights, comprehend the key system performance KPIs, portray how control channels and traffic channels ought to be dimensioned to guarantee cores and administration accessibility, unwavering quality. Break down the cores and performance highlights, counters and parameters. Course outline: optimizing GSM networks, optimizing GPRS network, optimizing Edge network, optimizing CDMA network, optimizing UMTS, R99, network, optimizing SPA/Super, UMTS R5 and R6, networks. Call us today at 1-972-665-9786. Learn more about this course audience, objectives, outlines, seminars, pricing, any other information. Visit our website www.tonex.com.